The Mould King 110203 V8 engine model kit offers an engaging building experience with its 1,169 pieces, making it a perfect project for enthusiasts of all ages. This model kit provides a realistic simulation of an engine's operation, featuring a speed adjustment function with low, medium, high, and rapid speeds. Equipped with an L motor and a battery box, the engine model allows users to observe the piston mechanism in action, providing a hands-on demonstration of mechanical principles. The set is not only an educational tool, but also a decorative piece, making it an ideal gift for both mechanical enthusiasts and those looking to adorn their space with a unique exhibit. Its colorful packaging and comprehensive instructions make it an excellent choice for children, promoting STEM education in a fun and interactive way. Mould King has ensured quality and satisfaction by inspecting all products before shipment, offering peace of mind to buyers.